I'm Evan Harvey from Spraying Systems. Today I'm joined by Aaron Breen from John D. Warwick here at their beef processing facility in Warwick. Aaron's the maintenance manager at this site, and recently we've done some spray audits for John D to look at the spray applications in all of the processes on the plant. Aaron, why were you interested in looking at these spray audits?
Yeah, I mean, a couple of things. One water consumption, and just to ensure we are using the right application with our sprays.
With the water, Aaron, you using town water or bore water on site?
We a combination of town and bore water through our applications. So yeah, it's important that we utilise both of them. And
so with the bore water, I guess it probably doesn't cost you much, but you're probably looking at sustainability on that side as
100%.
not using that.
That's right. Yeah, we don't want to use it all and run out eventually one day. So yeah, we're just trying to utilise it as best we can.
Yeah, okay. And the following the audit, of course, we did a report for you, and what were your takeaways from that?
Yeah, just 100%. It's good. It's a good health check for us to make sure that we're doing the right thing and onto it. But there's a few things there. Using the right nozzles in the right applications, and not just mixing nozzles around the plant, which we've identified in this report. And a few nozzles out of spec, so we'll get onto them and get them replaced and get some water savings back in.
Yeah, okay, that's great. Oh well, I'm glad it's worked out for you, and thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you.